What's going on, everybody? This is going to be a quick update video on the car. I know we haven't been filming much, but I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around and I'll let you see what we got done. So we just put the windshield in. We pushed it outside, letting it get some sun so this seal will soften up. But yeah, we got a little bit of stuff done. Done some powder coating. Bought the wrong water pump. As you can tell, it doesn't line up with the balancer. Got a new one on the way. We do have carpet in the car, I'll show you that. Got started running some stuff for the wiring. Yep, not a lot, but a little bit of stuff done. Waiting to get the cap for the fuel cell so we can put that in. That's about it. I can't think of anything else we've got done. I mean, I know it's been a while since we made some videos.
I think you covered it all.
We're mainly waiting on a fuel pump to get here so we could do the plumbing and stuff, but
We should run wires for everything. What I found.
what'd you find?
Got the old pedal spring underneath the car. It
Nice.
fell out over by the table.
Guess I could show them the wiring harness.
Yeah. I mean, you get the switch panel in there.
So we got with Race Wire Solution. They hooked us up this wiring harness. It should make wiring the car a lot easier. Jimmy built this board. It's going to sit in the passenger side floorboard. Hopefully all that tucks in there and looks nice.
Should.
Yep. So we just got to get this stuff installed.
Yep. We got a whole roll of loom.
Yep, about a whole roll of loom over here.
You do.
So we could tuck it in, make it look nice. Amazon special.
We already done.
That's actually what this is over here.
It's on.
This one, ain't it? Yeah,
Yeah, that one.
it's the same
It don't
stuff.
look bad though.
Yeah, it'll look good.
Yep. It's all that stuff.
Beautiful. I'm trying to think of what else I got we could show you guys that we got done. Got some Chinese door handles here to put on. We still got to do our pass-through hole for the main ECU harness. Got to put a disconnect on it. Oh, check this out. Jimmy is the proud owner of this bad boy.
That's my hog.
Jimmy's hog.
Yeah.
Yep, we both got hogs now. Shoot. Beautiful, Jimmy.
Thank you.
Oh, another thing. We got these trim rings in for the exhaust. Damn, if that's not cool, man, I don't know what it is. Man, I can't think of what else we've got done so I could catch you guys up to speed on things, but I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but a lot of this stuff takes a lot of time. Oh yeah, we picked up another welder. I haven't got to try it yet, but I'll show you guys that. So we are about to start doing our own TIG weld stuff. Then we'll be able to do chromoly and aluminum. Yep, still in the box. I just got to get a cart for that. So hopefully we'll be able to weld our own cold side and do some chromoly tubing in the future.
Yep.
I just got to get a bottle for that and get some gas and a cart. Still got to get this installed. I picked this up just the other day. Transmission cooler. Man, I think that's it.
Can't think of nothing else.
We still got to get an intercooler for the car. If we go that route, we might not even run an intercooler. I don't know yet.
Find out.
Well, shoot, guys, I think that's it. I'm sure I'm forgetting some stuff, but I know we need to be filming a lot more. What you doing? Yeah, we need to film a lot more of this stuff. It's just I get started doing it and forget forget to press record. Say hi.
Hi.
Say thank you
Thank you.
for watching.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to try to upload some more. I know we've been slacking. That's going to do it for this video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Say see ya.
See ya.
See you guys.